documenting all of that. Just want to get a good, clean view of that before I start marking it out. So, with all that being said, again, FP is going to be blue for fasteners pulled. That has occurred. I did this one, this shingle X. Here. 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 And there. Along with that, we have the creasing that occurred and the tear, which is right here. So I'm just going to have a T in blue above that for where that tear occurred. I'll document that. And I'll also get close up of where our tear occurred. Alright, have that. And now I didn't notice any more material transfer. Well, actually we do. Oh, that was shingle X, so that was the damaged shingle. Some right here. Material transfer is going to be in yellow. We have it occurring there. That one wasn't sealed. Right here. And then we also have creasing here, here, yep, right there. All right. Now that we've completed a repair assessment, I'm just going to write repair up here again so we can read it. But let's talk about some of the things that we saw here. We have several factors. We have fasteners pulling through. We have material transfer. We had a tear that occurred. We had creasing that also occurred due to the repair process. With those four factors involved, indemnification for this homeowner and bringing him back to pre-storm conditions isn't applicable with a small spot repair. So with that all being said, this repair, it's failed. and we cannot bring them back to pre-storm conditions. We'll grab a photo with that. Now that we have all that completed, we'll be sending in this photo. We'll chop it up into 5-minute clips so it's easily obtainable. Attach a photo report with it, estimate for full roof replacement, and we'll await your response. Again, my name is Zeke Failer with Brazen Roofing. Kara's behind the camera. We have Sam here training with us today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to assist. Thank you.